Struggling to track field task completion, monitor team activities, and maintain consistent reporting across multiple retail stores or locations? Start by preparing your task completion dataset. Launch story.mapog.com and navigate to Operations and Planning, then select Open Workplace. Within the workspace, go to Location, click plus Add, and choose New Location Type. Enter the basic settings for your custom location template like title, color, and geometry type as point. Add attributes such as store name, store manager, inventory level, maintenance status, and last inspection date. Configure the required field types, enable contributor access if needed, and use Live Preview to review the structure. Once everything looks correct, click Create Type to save the template. Next, upload your store location. Go to Uploads and select the location type template you created. Upload your spreadsheet file and select Submit. Use Task ID as the unique identifier or choose Auto-Generate ID. Match the attribute values to Excel columns and select the values that you want to plot over map. Configure duplicate handling and assign any required location fields. Click Submit to upload and save all task completion records. Now review and update your location information. Open the location dashboard and search for your saved template. Verify that all records have been imported successfully. Select any location and click Edit to update its information. Upload supporting images, add descriptions, update details, and save your changes. Next, create and manage task completion forms. Select the location where a task needs to be assigned and click plus Add Tasks to assign the task completion form. In the selected location, select an existing task type or use Manage to create a new one by clicking Manage in Task Types. Create the new type and select it. After selecting the task type, open the Completion Form Builder and choose Create Form to build a mandatory task completion form using the Create Form, and create the mandatory completion form by adding fields such as comments, status updates, verification details, and photo evidence. Choose field types like text, select, date, or image upload. Mark important fields as required so tasks cannot be completed without submitting the required information. Save the completion form and return to Task Management. Now enter the task title and description. In Schedule and Configuration, define the due date, deal value, task status, and priority. Proceed to assignment and assign team members to the task. If required, add new team members, assign roles, and allow users to edit locations or create tasks. Save the task to complete the setup. Now monitor task completion in real time. Assigned users instantly receive tasks in the MAPOG Contributor app. They can view task details, update progress, add comments, upload photos, and complete mandatory form fields directly from the field. Before closing a task, users must submit the task completion form with all required information and supporting evidence. Mandatory fields ensure compliance and prevent incomplete submissions. Meanwhile, managers can monitor all updates through the Task Review section and filter tasks by status, priority, or assignee. Track task progress, review submitted responses, verify field activities. Once submissions are verified, update the task status to Done. Next, create and publish maps. Click Create New Map and choose a suitable template. Select Store Mapper as the template and proceed. Enter a title and description, then click Create to save the map. Click Add Location and select Add via Library. Search for your saved template in the Business Location Library. Select all records, click the Business Location Library to link them to the map. Use settings to customize display properties, map visualization, and data presentation. For assistance with task management workflows, field operations, or GIS mapping, you can reach out to support@mapog.com anytime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GIS and mapping insights.